Hello, welcome back. My name is Laura from Hippo, and today I want to introduce to you our new launch. It's our new M31 product. Keep watching to see the product.
This is our M31, our new wireless microphone.
The charging case for this wireless microphone is Type-C. Also, it has a LED display. Also, this time is 2 receivers and 2 transmitters. And the microphone has dual mics to have better voice collection. The design for this microphone has clamp. Also, due to these 2 receivers, you can decide the inputs as you prefer. In this case, is one Type-C, one iOS. Let's try it. We have a Xiaomi phone and an iPhone phone. Let's test it. When you plug the receiver, 2 lights should be on to be ready to use. Hola, 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 hola. Hola, 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 hola. Hola, 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 hola. Hola, 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 hola. Hola, 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 hola. Hola, 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 hola. Hola, 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 hola. If you want to know more about the newest products in China, you can follow us on our Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. See you there. Bye-bye.